Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Monica and in today's video I'm going to be cleaning up around my house. I am hoping that this video brings you some cleaning motivation or maybe just a little bit of a distraction from what's going on in the world right now. I'm also going to share with you a breakfast smoothie recipe. I make these every single week and they are delicious. I am also going to show you how I stained the top of my table. I hope that you guys all enjoy this video and let's get right into it. So as you just saw, my kitchen was quite a mess. I feel like lately I, for some reason, just have not been that motivated to get up and do much. I feel like maybe it has something to do with everything that's going on. It just kind of puts me in that little bit of a depressed mood. But I do notice that once I get up and once I start moving and getting things done and I have the house nice and clean, my anxieties seem to disappear. I don't know if any of you guys out there are the same way, but when I have a clean home, I feel like my mind can rest as well. So as I was putting my dishes away, I noticed that this dish right here was broke, and I'm not sure if it broke for reasons other than just basically putting it in the dishwasher, because it does say dishwasher safe on the back. If any of you guys out there have these plates, I purchased them at Walmart and they are by Pioneer Women. I don't know if any of you guys out there have these plates, but I think from now on I'm just going to be hand washing them because I really love them and I don't want another one to break. I know that they had problems with the mugs and they have been discontinued because they have shattered when you put hot liquids in there, so they don't sell those in store anymore. Yeah, if you guys have these, I would advise to hand wash them and not put them in the dishwasher.
Tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder while you are up in space.
So I'm going to quickly show you what I do once a week. I take bananas and spinach, oatmeal, and protein powder. I believe that's all I use as far as the freezer part. So what I do is I will take one banana and a handful of spinach, 1 scoop of protein powder, and then a half a cup of oats, and I will place that all in each bag, and then I will place them in the freezer. So in the morning when I make these, I just add my almond milk. I'm pretty sure you can use any type of milk that you choose. I choose almond milk. You can also add like strawberries or blueberries or whatever you choose, but this has always been my favorite, and to me it actually tastes like a vanilla shake. I mean, I'm pretty sure it doesn't taste exactly like a vanilla shake, but my husband loves these and he is extremely picky, and they are really good. They're good for you, and it is a great breakfast drink to have in the morning.
What you did, but it's alright with me. It doesn't matter any longer. I will forgive your flaws if you're forgiving mine. Are you gonna spill the truth, the waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips, so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother.
So now that I have all the dishes loaded up in the dishwasher and some of the other ones hand washed and set out to dry, I am just going to be cleaning my sink. This removes any type of marks or stains that are left in the sink. I always use the soft scrub cleanser and a little bit of dish soap. I have been trying to use up the rest of this Dawn dish soap. I think it smells really good. It's like a cherry blossom scent.
It can't be over.
Now that my sink is clean, I'm just going to freshen up my garbage disposal, and how I do that is I just use these lemon scented planks. You can buy them at Target or Walmart, even the grocery stores sell them, and you just drop one down in there, run the disposal for a little bit as you are running some water, and everything smells nice and fresh. And these are the lemon scented ones. I believe there's a citrus scented one as well, but I love these and I use them pretty much every single day. I'm just going to get my oil diffuser going. I love the way this smells as I'm cleaning, and today I will be using the Woolsey's brand, and this scent is called Bliss. The Woolsey's brand is definitely my favorite brand of oils. I don't buy anything crazy or fancy or expensive. This has just always been a favorite brand of mine. Every single one of their scents smell absolutely amazing. I have never ever not liked one of their scents, and they are very affordable. I picked mine up at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. I can't remember. Maybe I have seen them at both, but the Woolsey's brand is definitely my favorite. So as you saw a few seconds ago, I showed you a quick little clip of what I was using to clean my countertops off with, and I was using the Method, and this is the antibacterial spray. Not a huge fan of the scent. I've never really liked the scents from Method, but I do know that they are good at disinfecting and they are more of a natural cleaner. So I did have this one in my stock of cleaners, so I'm just using this one up for now, and that is what I am doing. So what I did was I just sprayed my countertops down first. I let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then I went back and wiped everything down, and that's what I'm going to do on the island. And the stove was the only place that I didn't really let it sit. I don't feel like my food, since my food doesn't actually sit on the areas that I cleaned, I didn't really have to let it wait before I wiped it clean, so that's why I did it that way on the stovetop. But everywhere else I did wait 10 minutes and then I wiped it down.
I'm sorry we got in such a hurry. We went to the bottom, but it was worth it. Maybe we could still be friends. Maybe we could still be friends. I know we got a losing hand, but I want you to understand that this ain't got nothing on me and you. No matter how badly that we've been bruised, and maybe we could still be friends. The story doesn't have to end. I'm sorry we got out in such a hurry. We went to the bottom, but it was worth it. Maybe we could still be friends. Maybe we could still be friends.
So a while back I had asked you guys what you thought I should do with this top of this table, and most of you guys said to stain it dark. I honestly was torn either way. Staining it dark, leaving it light, sanding it down more, and giving it a whitewash look. I honestly had no idea what to do with it, and I would have been happy with no matter what, but I wanted you guys to kind of help me out, and most of you guys said to stain it dark, so that is what I am doing right now. And I did take forever to do this. I am doing it now. I am so glad that I did because it does look really pretty. I could have went back and sanded it down a little bit better, but I still wanted a little bit of that white paint to show through. I really like the shabby chic rustic look of things, so that is why I did that. I only added one coat and it has dried now, and I think I'm going to add another coat or two to give it a really dark look, and then I think I'm going to seal it with something. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have ever done this before. I'm not sure if it's best if I go back and seal it with like a wax seal or what. I don't want to use a polyurethane like a lacquer because I don't like that look. But if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know down in the comments below.
Glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better.
I'm just going to be using this product to spray my sofa down, and what this does is it just freshens up fabrics and kills germs and bacteria. I mostly use this to clean with, but it is a fabric freshener as well, and it is a very light citrus scent, and it is not overpowering like Febreze. I am not a fan of Febreze at all whatsoever. I've never liked it, but I do like this product, and I mostly use this to clean the bathrooms, but it is a fabric disinfectant and freshener as well.
'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby. All my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
So today I will be using my O-Cedar mop and bucket to mop my floors. I love, love, love this. Every time I show this in any of my videos, I talk about how much I love it. I've also had a few of you comment down below telling me that you have one as well and you love it just as much. So if you don't have one, I highly encourage you to buy one. If you dread mopping the floors, it truly does make it a breeze. And to mop my floors, I'm just going to be using some regular old pine salt to do that.
Time you're beside me, yeah. It's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face. 'Cause I can concentrate anytime you're beside me, yeah. It's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. It's what you do.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you guys all enjoyed it. I hope that it brought you a ton of cleaning motivation or maybe just a little bit of a distraction. Make sure that you subscribe if you are new. Please also give me a thumbs up. That helps me out a ton. Be sure to stop by in the comments just to say hi, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a beautiful day. Bye.